Well, hey folks, how's it all going? Oh man, the Blackstone, we're gonna get it rolling here tonight. It's been a long day. It's been a long time since I shoveled as much snow as I had to shovel today. So we're gonna get the griddle top fired up because I'm hungry. And we're gonna, even though there's a cold front coming in, it's gonna get below zero and everything. We're gonna, oh man, we're gonna do some ham dingers, as I call them, and some bacon fried corn and peppers, folks. You're gonna love bacon fried corn and peppers. So let's get the Blackstone fired up. All right, so here's what we need for tonight's meal: the bacon fried chicken and peppers. There, I'll tell you what, folks. There's our thick cut bacon. We're gonna cut that into little strips, and then you're looking at this. Is it? Oh, really? You're gonna have that? Oh, these patties. Oh man, I used to call them ham dingers because there was a company years ago called Patrick Cudahy that would make these, and they called them ham dingers. So that's what I remember as a young man, and now they're just called ham patties. And I've got some nice brioche buns. And I'll tell you what. First, we're gonna do get the bacon going, and then we're gonna add the corn and the peppers, and then from there we'll go here. So I'll tell you what, keep on watching. You're probably wondering now, you use a knife or something like that to cut up your no, scissors, regular scissors, nothing special, just cut up in little pieces. I tell you what, this works faster than a knife. So we're all getting prepped up and ready to go. All right, folks, got a little snow falling here, and wind is just howling out here. You see we're right around the 3:30 mark. Even with the wind guards out, the wind comes from underneath and cools things down a little bit. So, but anyway, we're just going to get, that's warm enough. Get our bacon on first. We're going to do that bacon fried corn and peppers first. And just spread out here with the wind blowing, and we'll give you several more look-sees. You stay tuned. Well, hey folks, we just got everything separated out. Just on a quick side note here, you're looking at the seasoning on there. Just because it's not 100% seasoned yet doesn't mean you can't cook on it. So you can cook it on it right out of the box. It's just that seasoning makes it to the point where it doesn't stick as much. So that's why we keep on seasoning and bacon. I'll tell you what, folks, if you're saying, well, what's the best way to season a griddle? Any griddle, bacon. Bacon's the best. Oh man, you can see the bacon is getting pretty much done. So now is the time to add the corn and the green pepper. Oh, look at that, folks. That's gonna be so good. You let it soak up into all that grease. That grease with that corn is just going to be awesome. Give you a couple more look-sees as we turn this around. Oh man, see the steam coming off of it. Tell you what, cooking up really nice, folks. Give us a couple more turns, and then this bacon fried corn and peppers will be just about done. Give you a look-see. All right, folks, there's our ham patties. I'll tell you what, I love these things. They're probably not the best thing for you, but as the snow flies in, but they're browning up real nice. We'll get the other side browned up, and then we'll get those rolls browned up on there, and then we'll give you the final look-see, folks. This is just awesome. Keep on watching. All right, we got our rolls on there. Let's take a quick look. Get them over there. Come on. Oh, look at that. Nice. Pull these off. Show you the sandwiches and that bacon fried corn and pepper. Stay tuned, folks. Oh man, don't mind me. I was just eating some of this bacon fried corn and peppers. Folks, look at this. See that? That is, why haven't you tried that yet? That is awesome. And then we've got our ham dingers sandwiches there with little pickles. This is going to be awesome. Do the same thing to that one. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, can't say it enough. I really do appreciate you watching.